Warahmatullahi. How are you? Now I will show you how can we check the Zamzam through Zamzam and the normal water. We have one serial lamp, brother. Just make one serial contact lamp and then check the water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just take the electric here. You see, this is serial lamp. One second, I will take behind of them, so you will see. Yeah. This is lamp. You see how can lighting the lamp. So now I will put it in the normal water. Just you see there is no turning any lamp, you see, and just see the cable. Kabloyu göster, yakınlaştır, kabloyu göster. Suyun içinde mi? You see, there is no turn on light, you see, okay? Then I will take it and just clean it, brother. And you see it's already working, yeah. Now I will put same cable inside of the Zamzam water and you will see what will happen. Look, brother. This is too far. Just you see this two cable. This one of the blue, one of the brown. It's very far. One of them, the one corner of the bottle, one of the cable, one corner of the water, and lamp is turning on. So it's mean this is. Turning on the light, this is Zamzam. Okay, brother? This is our way to know, understand the Zamzam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.